So let's talk about how to obtain Beninese citizenship for those who are living in places like Europe, America, and most parts of Brazil. This is a Beninese citizenship that those living around those parts of the world can get for as low as $2,000. Yeah, of course, it is almost free. Many people will say. And of course, they are right. That is the exact purpose why it was created. In 2024, the Benin government passed a law of return where anyone at all whose great-grandfathers or ancestors were taken into slavery in Brazil, America, Europe, Portugal, all those places, those people can actually come back to the country and obtain citizenship at almost free. Yes, they can come back and obtain citizenship of their country almost free. It is not only for those who were even taken from the former Dahomey Kingdom, which is now the Republic of Benin. If your ancestors are from any sub-Saharan African country at all, you have the right to come back and obtain permanent citizenship in the Republic of Benin. Now, there are few conditions attached. The first one is that as at the time you will be applying for that citizenship, you will not have any other African nation's citizenship. Yes, if you have any other African nation's citizenship, you will not be granted the access. Now, they will make it so easy that you can be wherever you are and apply for this citizenship in the Republic of Benin. Of course, I will make another video where I will talk about the criteria, like the things you need to get this citizenship. I will link that in the description when I finish doing that. But just as I told you, you can stay wherever you are and obtain the citizenship at your own comfort zone. In reality, that is something very fantastic. Yes, since the passing of the law, dozens of people are already in the Republic of Benin with their full citizenship of this beautiful African country. You can just go online and Google about the law now and read about them. They have already taken advantage of this new Beninese law to also have their citizenship. Now, this citizenship can also be passed to your children. Yes, this citizenship we are talking about for people living in the Americas, Europe, most part of Brazil and Portugal. They can actually pass this citizenship on to their children. It is called citizenship by recognition. There is only one limitation, which is you cannot contest election in the country. Of course, your children may be able to contest election, but you personally will not be able to contest election if you are the one who applied and got that citizenship. So that is a beautiful thing. Of course, when this kind of opportunities show up, there are a lot of things that go into processing everything, especially when you are processing it from outside the country. That is why one of my partner agency who specialize in that alone, yes, the only thing they do is bringing African descendants from all across the world to obtain the citizenship and possibly install themselves here, relocate to the Republic of Benin. So as of now, other than you going directly through the processes and obtain everything yourself, they are almost the only agency in the Republic of Benin that is offering that service to you right now. And of course, you know how I do my things. When I get the opportunity, I always bring you the best deal. So few days ago, I was in their office for us to negotiate for a discount for people who are from any part of West Africa at all, that you can prove that you are from any part of West Africa and you currently do not have citizenship of any African country, and you are willing to obtain a Beninese citizenship. Now, you can check the link in the description, read more about it. I link the link in the description, and if this is something you want and you want to pay for it, make sure to use the discount code in the description, loco 10. Once you use loco 10, for every payment you want to make until you get your citizenship, you will get 10% discount on the payment. Yes, that is wow, right? A 10% discount on it, and of course 10% of that amount that you are looking at there. If you decide to come in person, yes, they also provide you with 2 days accommodation to process everything for you. But just as I told you, you can process everything wherever you are, even before you get into the country. Of course, I'm going to make more video about this and tell you about some of the requirements, and more importantly, I tell you about most of the benefits. But this video is just to present to you an introduction of the whole idea. But if you can't wait to get everything, check the link in the description. It is almost free. Now, if you know anyone at all from any of these places and they are West African descendant without any African country citizenship currently, send this video to them. It will help them a lot. Again, I'm Lokozu Sylvain, and I talk to you about tourism in the Republic of Benin. I talk about the Republic of Benin and almost everything concerning the Republic of Benin. See you in another video.